I know this is a hell of a way to start a video, but this is what holds the starter rope into the pulley on this 2100 CD. Like, why on earth would they have ever thought that that was a good idea to do that? And what I was talking about the recoil being, there's what I mean by that's wore out. That's the 4th rope, and as you can see, that's a big number 4 rope. It's not cheap rope. Have the same rope in my 880, my big bore 066, my 395, which makes 260 psi, and this thing, and I think the culprit is, a lot of it is right there.